Hello to all my YouTube fans, how you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's vlog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, I'm going to be unboxing a brand new outlet tester for when I am doing like any type of electrical outlets or anything. I'm also going to show you this one. This one's my old one. This one has a bit of a problem. When I use this one, the pin pushes in. This one here is no good. Means it's kind of like finally worn out. You can pull it out, but it doesn't stay. Watch this. Pushes it in again. Basically, don't know what happened to it. I can't open it. This is the old one. Basically. But, let's get to it. Well, I also cut it open. You're gonna need a knife to open it, or a pair of scissors. Got this down at Lowe's. Basically, it's just a standard outlet tester. Now, let's get into the side of it here. Of course, we're gonna have some instructions. Tells you how to use it. You don't have to deal with instructions. We don't need to read those, right? We just need the unit itself to figure out what works and what doesn't work. This one's a bit of an upgrade for me. This one has a GFCI outlet tester on it. Basically the same. I don't know what I'm going to test it on, but I can show you how these all work. Be right back. Before we get into the testing of my new outlet style tester, and I'm going to give you a bit of an update on my switched outlets combo box here to control my overhead lighting over my desk. I also upgraded the wire to black wire instead of the orange one. And I also upgraded my plate as well to a metal one instead of to one of these decoration style plates right here. This one here just totally completely broke. It's like so brittle. And what happens is when you draw them and stuff, you just break. This is not trash. And basically it's the same thing. Just your standard 15 amp outlet, 14 gauge wire, 15 amp switched and outlet, ground, hot, and also a neutral. Let's go ahead and plug it in and kind of show you how those outlet testers work. Right now I'm underneath my desk. Basically, we're going to test my old one. See if we come up with two correct style lights, and we do. Alright, let's get the new one out. Plug that bad boy in there. And look at that. Perfectly fine. Alright, put both in at the same time. Got the same lights. Sweet. Means we wired this box perfectly fine. If you're also joining this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, please like, please share. Peace out, spy guys and girls. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog.